Hello and welcome back to our How to SpatialWork video guide series, created by Hiverlab. SpatialWork is our AI-powered low-code digital twin software. Digital twins made easy for everybody and for a more sustainable future. In today's video, I am going to give you a quick tour of the media library. It is located in Hiverlab's web browser client portal. This is where all your content imported into SpatialWork PC mode and other apps is stored and maintained. You will need to upload your content here first, then from the SpatialWork PC platform, you will be able to import them into your digital twin projects. To access the client portal, just in case you're not familiar, click on the login button from the hiverlab.com website or type platform.hiverlab.com/platform in your browser window. After logging in with your Hiverlab account registration credentials, you should see a similar menu interface. On the right-hand side, you'll have My Apps, and then on the top you will see Media Library. Click on that. This is where you will find all your files stored. To access the feature, click on Add New. A couple options will appear. One is to upload files, the other is to add a group of collaborators. We will dive deeper into each feature in a future lesson. Remember to join our LinkedIn group and YouTube channel so you are notified as soon as new features and updates are announced. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.